In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the red cross mark from folders and icons in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Those little red crosses usually mean that something is wrong with synchronization, especially if you're using services like OneDrive or another cloud storage tool. In this walkthrough, I'll show you clear steps to get rid of those marks and get your icons back to normal. First, look closely at the folders or files that have the red cross. Often, these are in locations that are being synced, like your desktop, documents, or pictures. Especially if they're connected to cloud storage, the red cross usually indicates that the file hasn't synced properly, or there's a problem with your account, your connection, or storage space. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected and that your connection is stable. A simple way to test this is to open a browser and visit any website. If your internet isn't working properly, fix that first, because without a good connection, your files can't sync and the red crosses may stay there. Now, open your cloud storage app, such as the OneDrive icon in the taskbar notification area. If you don't see it, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find it, click it and review any warning messages. The app will often tell you if you're signed out, if you're out of storage, or if there's a specific error. If you're signed out, sign back in with your account. If you're low on space, free up some storage either on your device or in the cloud. After that, try pausing and then resuming sync. In the app's menu, choose to pause syncing. Wait a few seconds and then resume. This can refresh the connection and force the app to recheck the files that had issues. If certain files still show a red cross, right-click on those individual files or folders and look for an option related to syncing, such as Retry Sync or similar wording. Sometimes renaming the file slightly or moving it to another folder and back can also trigger a fresh sync. Finally, give your computer a quick restart after making these changes. When it boots back up, let the system sit for a minute so the sync client can run. In many cases, the red crosses will disappear once everything has successfully synchronized. And that's how you remove the red cross mark from folders and icons in Windows 11 and 10.